watch includes the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for Dakota, northwestern Goodhue, and northeastern Rice counties. At 7:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Farmington to near Northfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball size.
Wow. Just wow. Wow. I just got that. Well, can't believe that just happened.